Hi, I'm Dr. David Goldstein. I'm a senior investigator at the National Institutes of Health, the NIH. This video is to let you know about a research study we're doing at the NIH Clinical Center. The NIH Clinical Center is the largest hospital in the United States devoted entirely to medical research. We're in Bethesda, Maryland, just outside Washington, D.C. We're recruiting people who have Parkinson's disease, or PD, to come to the NIH for a research study. Symptoms of PD include slow movement, stiffness, poor balance, and tremor. The movement problems in PD are due to the loss of a chemical called dopamine in a particular brain area. Some research suggests that the brain cells are damaged by the breakdown of dopamine by a process called oxidation. N-acetylcysteine, or NAC, is a drug approved by the FDA to treat Tylenol overdose. NAC is also available as a dietary supplement. NAC can act as an antioxidant. In this study, we will test whether NAC can decrease the oxidation of dopamine in people with PD. We hope that the information gained in this study will help us to learn if it might be worth studying NAC as a potential treatment to prevent or slow the progression of PD. We can track brain dopamine oxidation by assaying the level of a chemical called cystenyl dopamine in the spinal fluid. You may be eligible for this study if you are an adult with PD diagnosed in the past 5 years and you're taking a monoamine oxidase inhibitor, MAOI, such as rasagiline or selegiline. You may not be eligible if you are taking levodopa in any form, taking another exclusionary drug, or have an exclusionary condition. If you wish to participate, you will have a screening visit at the NIH Clinical Center to determine your eligibility. If you are eligible, you will be admitted to the NIH Clinical Center for 4 to 8 days. You will have a spinal tap, or LP, before starting NAC, and again after taking NAC for 2 days. We will offer you financial compensation for your time and the inconvenience of participating in our study. If you're unable to finish the study, payment will be paid for those parts that are completed. NIH will provide travel to and from the NIH Clinical Center within the United States for the inpatient visit. NIH will also provide travel and local accommodations for a medical escort if the investigators determine it is necessary for safety. If you're interested in learning more about the study, here's an internet link to the study. You can also call the NIH Clinical Center's Office of Patient Recruitment, or you can email me. Thanks for listening to this video and for helping us achieve our mission of reducing the burden of neurological disease.